We have some control over what is displayed and not displayed in our model screen. So let's take a look at a few options that we do have. This is going to be controlled from your visibility panel. The visibility panel can be found in the Home tab, and it's right over here where I'm hovering over. And you'll see that you have some tools like Show All, which basically just shows all of your Plant 3D objects. You have Hide Selected, where you can hide certain objects. You can have Hide Others, where you'll select one and hide everything else. You can toggle placeholder displays. If you have a part that is placeholder only, it'll toggle on a display that kind of gives you that. You can toggle on and off the weld displays. Insulation can be displayed, and then you can also toggle on and off your disconnect markers. So let's go ahead and zoom in here on this pipe over here. Now let's see what happens whenever we display the insulation. If you notice, the lines have swollen up and all the insulation is shown on the lines there. We can go ahead and we can toggle that back off if we don't want to see it. Let's look at this open line right here. I purposely put an open T here so you could see that this is where you would see if you have a disconnect. So if we toggle this on, you'll see that you do have a disconnect going on right there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what happens to a placeholder. These two valves are strictly placeholders. They weren't in our normal valve catalog, and I just put them in to be a placeholder. And what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and turn this on, and now you can see these exclamation points showing that you have a placeholder there. Now, if I select this piece of pipe right here, and I go to Hide Others, it's going to hide everything except that piece of pipe. Now, if I do Show All, it comes back. Now, if I do the opposite function, I can hide only that piece of pipe. Once again, Show All. So these are just some of the options that you have whenever you want to control display in your Plant 3D model.